This is Dave with excuse me, Tsunami Hydrographic Coatings. We brought the constrictor out today. We want to dip a full face motorcycle helmet, and we want to just check the stretch around the sides of it and see if we can actually just send it straight into the water and check the degradation of the film as it's coming up all the way around it. If you measure the helmet, we've only, actually it's 30 inches around that thing. 30 inches? Anyway, I think it was 30 inches from the nose or the mouthpiece all the way around to the back. The film I'm dropping in is only going to be 25. That's all I had left of this green flame, so we're going to find out if it works. I'm going to go straight in, and then when I get about halfway, I'm going to start constricting it and see if I can bring it in tight enough to not lose the quality of the color of the film. So let's fill up the constrictor. Okay, we'll grab some film and hang with me for a second. Go real slow, I got a cross strap in there that drives me nuts. Dropping in green flaming skulls. And I'll show you the helmet we're going to drop before I get it in the water. Here it is. I can also, when I hit the activator on this, I'm going to expand this film as much as I possibly can. I can get about 20% more without losing the quality of the film. We're on the K2 brew today. 2 quick passes. Film should blow up completely. Okay, first time. This is the helmet here, guys. See, it's got big nose piece on it. That's where we're going to lose it all from this part down. So we're going to see what happens. Wish me luck. I know my constrictor is going to come back this way a little bit, so when it I missed the back. I just saw that. I thought I had it too. Dang it. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, it's terrible. See the top where it went in is fine. Everything's cool back here. Then I started constricting it a little too much, and I got the heads to shrink up, and everything pulled in too tight on me, so I went in too fast on it. We're going to get the heads upside down on this side. There's no way of getting around it. So we'll try again. We're going to experiment. We're going to see if we can drop this in. I ran out of film for my granddaughter's helmet, so I wanted to see if I can figure a way how to make this look acceptable. So got a little patch kit in there. We're going to dump the back of the helmet down where I missed the whole back of it because the film was too short. Pieces stuck together where I got kind of a couple of heads. My big alley right there. That's where the film was short, and May got to kind of clean it up, dried it up. Got a mark in the middle here where I need to drop it down, and pretty close to the end, so I think where's that line? There it is. Got a lot of stuff on that one there. Extra film on that skull. You might be able to lighten it up. That one came out okay. I can airbrush that. But see that extra ridge all the way around it? That's the film. I'm going to try to blow that off and see what happens here. Alright guys, I just pulled all the stuff off of it. The rest is going to have to be touch up. I think once I get my airbrush out. Front's okay. Got a little guy there. Now that's a skull. I'm going to have to fix that guy. And then blend these greens back down into this black. I've got the flames going the right direction, but I'll do a little hair on this one here in yellow, fix that little spot and that one over there, and I think it'll be better than having to wait 2 weeks to get some film. So we're doing what we can. I saved one of the skulls, but the other one, I'm not in a hurry. I just kind of doctored it up, and when I put the clear on it, I think it'll all go away and look all right. What do we got here? Wide angle lens, you can't see anything unless I shove it right up into it. There, just threw some flames on there. There's the top part up there. Kind of sporadic, so I got it heavy in the back there. Ah, heck, the only person that's going to see it is going to be the slow poke behind her that can't keep up, right? Anyway, that's with a secondary dip on a big hole and some airbrushing to doctor it up. I'll clear it and then show you one more time. Okay, here's the final shot, guys. This is the green flame helmet you've been watching. We've got it cleared now, and you can see the colors popped out nicely. The back was a hack job, but I think it'll be okay. Let me see where I'm at there, somewhere around there. Could have went a little more intense on those flames, but didn't want them to stand out more, but next time I'll throw a little bit brighter colors on it. Like I said, we dropped down into the constrictor. We got great color on the top here, and actually right in the front here too. Everything was going good, but my film was too short. Eventually that's the crux of it. I just needed a bigger constrictor up there, and I didn't have enough film for it, so I used the biggest piece I had, and this is just what we ended up with. So, of course, this isn't a job going out, but good enough for the grandbaby, and she'll probably crash this in no time. Yeah, one more thing. This was the front visor that we're going to put on the front of that there. I'm going to cover up a couple skulls, but we'll have a couple other ones. I did turn the skulls around on the front here so that you'd be looking at them this way, and then from the front you see them. Have a great evening. Tsunami Head.